Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again. So today, what we got going on is we're gonna be replacing the hood. We're gonna be taking this hood off and we're gonna be putting on the old hood, which is over there. We're gonna be putting on that thing. So a couple things that we're gonna be doing. Well, we're gonna be drilling the holes for the pipes, and then we're also gonna be making sure this clears it, because this one clears it on this hood like by just a little bit. So we gotta make sure that this is gonna clear the other hood. The other hood, as you know, it does have some hood, I did cut out previously some like vents. So I'm hoping that it lands like in one of those. But if not, we're gonna have to figure something out. But in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and switch this one out for the other one and then see how it goes. Now, for the moment, the truth, you're gonna witness this here right now. See if this works. Alright. There we go. Oh, fuck. That's not good. Look at that. So look at that gap. It's closed right now. Or I think it is. Barely. But I mean, look at that fucking gap right there. So that's not good. That's not good at all. I mean, maybe I can... There is another little part of the car that might give it another inch or two and then cut this hole bigger. I will be putting something on here so no one can reach their hand in there and stuff like that. So, a couple things I'm gonna try. I'm gonna cut this right here, and then if I need to, cut more of this, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this because this is the first thing that it touches. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to cut this first, and then we'll see where we go from there. Alright, so we're gonna try this one more time, see how this goes. Put you guys. Set y'all up. Alright. Still. Okay. So it's like hitting around this area. Right here, this little, so I'm gonna take some of that off. Jeez. Oh my god. So the gap closed even, like, it's closer, as you guys can see it. Probably it's way, so I mean, it'll close, but this is right here. It definitely won't open now, because before it was enough to open it. It won't open this time. Oh, you guys can see, like right here, you can see the indent it's giving. Maybe if I get some hood spacers from the back, you know, for the back, that'll probably help it out, give it that clearance. So I'm gonna have to look something up today. I know like some cheap ones too, like Password JDM has some. I'm probably gonna look those up, get those, because they would give it enough, it would lift it up essentially from the back, which would kind of help it out, I guess. I assume. If not, I'm gonna be fucked. But I gave it as much clearance as I could. It's not hitting anything else but the hood now. Maybe. I guess that'll do for now. I'll get those spacers. Let's move on to the next thing. Alright, you guys, so I'm at the portion of the video where it's now time to drill these holes in the hood. How am I gonna do it? Obviously, I'm gonna do it with these fucking these hood holes bits. I don't know what you want to call them. Not hood hole bits, but these circular bits. But the placement on the hood, that's where it's gonna get a little tricky, where I'm gonna have to figure out where it's gonna go and how it's gonna go, because I can't just guess it. I don't want hoods all over I don't want holes all over the hood. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure something out. Alright, people, this is a moment of truth. I kind of marked one of them, so we're gonna give it our best right here. There's the second one. There you go. Alright, I need to move this one a little to the side. Alright, so we do have a problem that I didn't take into consideration, which is my fault. The pipes are angled. The pipes are angled. Well, this one is. Let's see if it'll. Actually, no, because I'm cutting them. I'm gonna go ahead and cut those and see what happens. So I done fucked up. As you can see, my measurements were way off. Oh fuck. This one was pretty close actually. These ones not so much. This one either. They're not off by like a lot, but it's just enough. I might just go ahead and cut them together. Alright, you guys, so here it is now. So it's kind of closed right there, but I think when putting on the pipe, I might have to cut off some more of this. Let me show you guys real quick. Some of this right here, I'm going to cut right there, like cut this off basically, because it's getting in the way. But there it is. So I might also end up having to like cut this into 3s. If not, it'd be cool to just leave it like this. Doesn't look too bad. But yeah, that's how it's looking so far, you guys. All right, so yes, this is how it's gonna end up looking like. Not gonna lie, it looks pretty dope. I am gonna fix up all these piping, make them look a little better, neater, maybe more flush, once I got everything else situated. If not, I might just leave them like this, cut them at an angle, and then just let them be. But I mean, look, yeah, shit. And then you got we're gonna put some of that like chicken wire fencing shit right here, and all these to cover up so no one sticks their hands in there. But then like you can see the turbo in there for sure. Everything, it'll look dope as fuck. Yo, I think this part of my car was previously wrapped. That's my previous color paint. What the fuck? Should I take it off? Probably gonna have to. That looks ugly right there. I thought that's how it came factory. Hold on. Put this outro real quick. Hello, people. Can't really see me, but that was today's video, you guys. We did a lot of cutting and drilling and whatnot, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like always, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Check out the Meister shop down below. Yeah, peace out, see you in the next one.